What is up, guys? Today we are playing the new update.
Stop that fake voice.
What? Hey!
Stop that fake
Stop
voice.
spoiling!
Oh, my bad. Go over there. Go. My bad. Okay, hold on. I'm putting on a better outfit. What about this? Is this outfit good? Am I spoiling still?
Yes.
Okay, go over there. Go over there. I'll actually change the sign. Okay. Is this better?
Yes.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Whoa, these cosmetics are so cool! Oh my gosh, yeah. I think you can already tell I'm sarcastic. You
Con
know?
cặc đồ mày nói chuyện vô dân quá. Mày coi chừng mày chết với tao nha mày.
Yeah.
As you
Okay.
can tell by my other outfit, I kind of bought this.
Yes.
See? I'm on Quest, by the way.
Okay. Guys! New update.
I think I kind of spoiled all of it.
New update. Let's go. It's fireworks. Look, it's a mask.
Wow!
I think this
I've never
was.
seen something like this.
I think this was literally in the last update.
I never seen something like this.
Yeah, not like that though.
Whoa. These are so
Why would they do this? Why?
Whoa! You know what? I'm gonna buy all of this. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy this. And I'm gonna. Oh yeah. I already have all of this.
Yeah, I think you already do.
I forgot. I don't have this though. I don't have enough for it. Whoa, this pack. I already have this.
No, wrong pack. Oh, this.
This
Yeah.
one right here.
Yeah.
This is like the worst pack I've ever seen in my
I
life.
look pretty good.
No, you don't. I'm sorry. What the? Why
What?
the heck is that my color code? Yay!
No, that was your 4th of July color code.
You don't like fireworks? How dare you! Come here. You don't like fireworks.
No. Because they are loud. I mean, I like fireworks. They're pretty cool. I mean, they make. They're just too loud. They break my ears.
You wanna draw lobbies? For the rest of
That's not even my color code.
this Bob?
All right, let's troll some lobbies. I'm still Jingle Bottom. Let's go, guys. No! Why did you do that? Knock out the rope. I was about to climb on that until you just literally. At least I saved my life there for a second. Saved my life. Luckily, that's not. Oh my gosh! Like, dude, chill. Yeah, It's the shark people! Why would you do that? Join the code! Join the code! Join the code!
Hi, Jinglebottom. Hi, Jinglebottom.
I'm just kidding.
Hi. Bro, we did so good trolling them. I definitely didn't harass them.
Totally.
I just yelled at them.
Yeah, it's
They
been
never
like
said I couldn't do that.
pretty long time into this. Yeah, I know
I
that.
yell at people all the time in girl time.
Yeah, I could already
What's
tell
the difference?
by literally.
I didn't make them feel uncomfortable.
I know. Why would you?
I have no idea.
Why
Whoa! Whoa! Bro,
Yeah.
our disguises worked so
well.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, like and subscribe. I'm almost.
Like and subscribe, or else Joseph will come to your house and eat all of
I
your
love dirt. And also, I need 5 more subscribers. I'm almost to 30 subscribers. Let's go, guys.
Woo, I'm about to hit 80 subscribers.
Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. I guess. Well, guys, that...
I actually am at 79 subscribers.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Okay.
Goodbye, guys. I just told you. I just...